Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back again for our today's lecture of class 5, subject English Reader, chapter number 2, and it is your lecture number 2. Beta, today our topic is the same lesson, A Great Man, and today we are going to cover word meaning, means the half word meaning which we didn't complete on that day in lecture number 1, and along with this we will be completing book exercise also. We are not going to cover the whole lesson today, only half lesson, means the whole explanation along with the half book exercise we will be covering in today's lecture. This is of term 3 essence. This is of your term 3 essence. So let's start instead of wasting our time. We did 12 word meaning of that day. So now today's 13th word meaning is renounced. Renounced means give up, means त्यागना. But here it is second form, so we write त्यागा या फिर त्याग दिया. Okay, that is त्याग दिया. 14th word meaning is enlightenment. ENLIGHTEMENT. Enlightenment. Enlightenment is prabodhan. Means when we get knowledge of something, true knowledge, we call it prabodhan. Okay. When we become words in something, whether in any subject. Okay, and when we possess the knowledge of the same subject, when we will call it prabodhan, or we can say gyan. Next is meditating. MEDITATING. Meditating is dhyan. Sixteenth word meaning is that is austerity. 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 Austerity is living a life of very harsh and strict discipline, eating very little, or we can say कठोरता. Harsh life, we can say कठोरता. That is austerity. Okay. After austerity, there is a word sermons. That is SERMONS. Sermons. Sermons means religious talk, or we can say धार्मिक उपदेश. धार्मिक उपदेश means if someone gives the knowledge of their own religion, okay, we call it धार्मिक उपदेश. Suppose I am Hindu, and if I am giving the knowledge of my gods, okay, if I am giving the knowledge of my religion, then I will call it sermon. 18th and the last word meaning is priest. PREACHED. Priest is so like sermons, it is also the same, but here sermon is noun and priest is beta verb. Okay, so we'll write the same here. Here it is dharmik updesh because we are considering it as noun, but here it is not a noun, it is a verb. So we'll write dharmik updesh diya. Dharmik updesh diya. Okay, so now my dear students, we have 18 word meanings. So please Write these word meanings below the word meaning that you had done earlier. Now we will start we will start explanation. So my dear student, yesterday we completed there, means where the king Bimbisara wanted to meet Siddhartha, and then he went to meet him. He said, you are surely a man of high birth. The harsh life of an ascetic is not for you. I shall give you a high office in my court. You can be minister and advise me. So he offered him to live in his place, where he would offer him a high office. But what he said then, means what Gautam Buddha, means what Siddhartha said to him, we will know in this lesson. You are so wise. Siddhartha smiled and said, सिद्धार्थ ने स्माइल किया और कहा, You are gracious, O king. आप बहुत दयालु हो, आप बहुत अच्छे हो राजा. But I do not desire any high office, because I don't want any high office. I have renounced the world, means I have gave up the world, means I have renounced the world. मतलब मैंने ये संसार त्याग दिया. You are so wise. My heart is filled with love and respect for you, noble sir. I am willing to share my throne with you. You will be the co-ruler of Magad with me, King Bisara said. What he said then? You are so wise because you are so intelligent, and my heart is filled with love and respect for you. In my heart there is a respect and love for you, noble sir. Okay, I am willing to share my throne with you. Means I am willing to show my throne. Throne means गद्दी, where I am sitting. Okay, मैं अपना राज्य आपके साथ शेयर करने के लिए रेडी हूँ, मैं विलिंग हूँ, मेरा इच्छा है. You will be the co-ruler of Magad with me. आप मेरे साथ में co-ruler होगे, मतलब मेरे साथ में काम करोगे, आप रूल करोगे मगध के ऊपर, मतलब आप भी वहां पे शासन करोगे मेरी तरह. King Bisara said to Siddhartha. Siddhartha laughed out loud. He means he laughed very much. Okay, he giggled, or we can say he laughed out. He said in deep voice, If I had desired a throne, I would not have left my own kingdom. He said, अगर मुझे थ्रोन की गद्दी की ही जरूरत होती है, अगर मुझे इस राज्य की जरूरत होती है, अगर मुझे इस गद्दी पे ही बैठना होता, I would not have left my own kingdom. तो मैं अपना घर को क्यों छोड़ता, मैं अपने राज्य को क्यों छोड़ता? Because he was also a prince before that. Okay. He left his palace and he went to the forest to get the knowledge how he can make the people get rid of suffering of the pain. But he left he left his own kingdom. Then he said, I left my own kingdom only to know how can I get knowledge, how can I be enlightened. I am Siddhartha, son of Shakya king Sudhodan of Kapila Vastu. Means he said, I am Siddharth, मैं सिद्धार्थ हूँ. Son of means I am a son of शाक्य किंग, मतलब मैं शाक्य किंग का बेटा हूँ सिद्धार्थ. शाक्य किंग का नाम क्या था? सुधोधन of Kapila Vastu. He lived in Kapila Vastu. Then he said, then King Bimbisara said, asked, why did you leave home, noble sir? तो आपने घर क्यों छोड़ा, noble sir? This world is nothing but full of misery. ये इस दुनिया में कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन ये दुनिया किससे भरी हुई है? मिजरी, मतलब गरीबी से भरी हुई है. गरीबी बहुत है. Every creature is unhappy. यहाँ पे हर एक प्राणी अनहैप्पी है, मतलब दुखी है. Whatever happiness is there doesn't last. जो भी यहाँ पे खुशियां हैं वो अंत तक नहीं रहती हैं, मीन्स उनका अंत हो जाता है. I am seeking a path which will free man of their misery. I am seeking enlightenment. मीन्स मैं ऐसा रास्ता ढूंढ रहा हूँ जो सारे इंसानों को उनकी मिजरी से, मतलब उनकी गरीबी से उनको फ्री कर देगा. और मैं क्या ढूंढ रहा हूँ? आई एम सीकिंग एनलाइटमेंट, मतलब मैं ट्रू नॉलेज को ढूंढ रहा हूँ, ट्रू नॉलेज लेना चाहता हूँ. ठीक है. योर वर्ड्स योर मैनर्स इंस्पायर ग्रेट फेथ इन मी. उन्होंने कहा आपके वर्ड्स आपके मैनर्स मेरे में क्या इंस्पायर करते हैं, मुझे प्रोत्साहित करते हैं, मेरे अंदर विश्वास लाते हैं. प्रॉमिस मी सर दैट व्हेन यू हैव फाउंड एनलाइटमेंट यू विल कम टू माय किंगडम एंड एनलाइटन me and my people. Bimbisara requested to Siddhartha that whenever you get enlightenment, okay, whenever you found enlightenment, please come to my kingdom and enlighten me and my people also. Means people of my kingdom. Means give them also knowledge. If if you get this knowledge. सिद्धार्थ स्माइल ग्लोरियसली एंड प्रॉमिस, सिद्धार्थ ने स्माइल किया, तेजस्वी स्माइल दी उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी वाली, एंड ही प्रॉमिस दैट ओके आई विल श्योर कम टू योर किंगडम. ही रिमेन इन राजगिरा फॉर सम मोर डेज मेडिटेटिंग, देन ही लेफ्ट टू बिकम द डिसिपल ऑफ अलारा कलाम. मीन्स उन्होंने कुछ टाइम तक राजगिरा में ही मेडिटेशन किया, मीन्स ध्यान किया. उसके बाद उन्होंने वो किंगडम, वो राज्य छोड़ दिया और किसके डिसिपल बन गए. डिसिपल होता है बेटा शिष्य. ओके, स्टूडेंट, किसके स्टूडेंट बन गए? अलारा कलाम के डिसिपल बन गए वो. ठीक है, अलारा कलाम ही वॉज अ टीचर. अलारा कलाम वॉज अ फेमस टीचर. ही लर्न एवरीथिंग दैट दिस टीचर हैड टू टीच हिम बट वॉज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. मतलब उन्होंने उनसे सब कुछ सीखा, उन टीचर से जो उनको सीखना था, लेकिन वो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हुए. मीन्स ही वॉज नॉट कंटेंट, मतलब वो संतुष्ट नहीं हुए. ही वेंट टू अदर टीचर्स, देन ही वेंट टू अदर टीचर्स ऑल्सो. ओके, दे वर ऑल वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड विद हिज calm dignified behavior and his extraordinary ability to learn. Then all teachers, suppose if any student come to me and he is very dignified, his behavior is very good, he is very extraordinary student, then what will I do? I will welcome him, okay, with my all heart. So in the same manner the other teachers also welcomed him. He withdrew into deep forest and lived a life of great austerity. Then he went in the deep forest, घने जंगल में चले गए और उन्होंने किसकी लाइफ जी? कठोरता भरी लाइफ जी, जहां पे उन्होंने कुछ भी नहीं मिला, बट ही वेंट देयर ओनली इन ऑर्डर टू गेट सम knowledge. Okay, Siddhartha realized that causing pain to one's body and remaining hungry would not take him near enlightenment. Means उनको ये realize हुआ कि बॉडी को पेन देकर, ठीक है, और उसको भूखा रखकर wouldn't take him near enlightenment. वो enlightenment वो नहीं पा सकते, वो ट्रू नॉलेज को नहीं पा सकते. अगर वो अपनी बॉडी को इतना ही दुख देंगे, इतना ही कष्ट देंगे और इतना अपने आप को भूखा रखेंगे, तो वो enlightenment मतलब नॉलेज भगवान की नहीं पा सकते. He accepted food from the villagers and continued to meditate. इसलिए उन्होंने क्या किया? He accepted food from the villagers. Wherever he was living in a deep forest, there were so many villagers, so he decided to take food from them, and he kept on meditating. Finally, on a full moon night in summer, sitting and meditating under a tree. Finally, one day he was sitting. It was summer season. In night, he was sitting and meditating under a tree. Siddhartha received enlightenment, and then he received enlightenment. Okay, तब उनको ज्ञान हो गया, बहुत ज्ञान हो गया उनको. He became Buddha. What did he become? He became Buddha. So he keep on meditating, and finally on a full moon, means when the moon was full, night in summer, sitting and meditating under a tree. He was sitting and meditating under a tree. मतलब एक ट्री के नीचे वो मेडिटेशन कर रहे थे. Okay. It was a full moon day in night in summer. Siddhartha received enlightenment. On that day he received enlightenment. उस दिन उनको ज्ञान हुआ भगवान का. He became Buddha, the enlightened one. उस दिन वो बुद्धा बन गए. बुद्धा means enlightened one, मतलब प्रबोधन वन, मतलब उनको ज्ञान हो चुका था उस दिन. The day of his enlightenment is known as बुद्ध पूर्णिमा. जिस दिन को enlightenment मिली, जिस दिन को ज्ञान मिला, उसको हम कैसे जानते हैं? बुद्ध पूर्णिमा के नाम से जानते हैं. The tree under which he sat is known as बोधि ट्री. और जिस ट्री के नीचे वो बैठे थे उसको बोधि ट्री बोलते हैं बेटा. And the small town nearby as बोध गया. और जिस टाउन में उनको वो नॉलेज मिली थी उसको बोलेंगे बोध गया. लॉर्ड बुद्धा kept his promise to भीमसारा. लॉर्ड बुद्धा ने जो प्रॉमिस किया था भीमसारा के साथ में, वो उन्होंने फुलफिल किया. Then he went there in Rajgira. He went to Rajgira and gave sermons to Bimbisara and his people. As he promised to Bimbisara king, he went to Rajgira and gave his sermons. Sermons means उपदेश. उन्होंने अपने उपदेश किसको दिए? बिम्बिसारा को दिए और वहां के लोगों को भी दिए. बिम्बिसारा गिफ्टेड द वेनुवाना और द बैम्बू फॉरेस्ट फॉर हिज डिसिपल्स. डिसिपल्स मतलब अपने शिष्यों को बिम्बिसारा ने क्या गिफ्ट किया? वेनुवाना, या फिर उसे कह सकते हैं बैम्बू का फॉरेस्ट, अपने डिसिपल्स को गिफ्ट में दे दिया. गौतम बुद्ध प्रीच्ड फॉर 40 years. गौतम बुद्ध ने अपने धर्म का उपदेश 40 साल तक दिया. हिज डॉक्ट्राइन स्प्रेड नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया बट आउटसाइड टू द ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट. एंड हिज डॉक्ट्राइन मतलब सिद्धांत, उनके जो लाइफ रूल्स थे वो सिर्फ इंडिया में ही नहीं स्प्रेड हुए, इंडिया में ही नहीं फैले, बट आउटसाइड टू, लेकिन बाहर कंट्रीज में भी फैले, जैसे कि ईस्ट में और वेस्ट कंट्रीज में भी वो फैले. तो इन दिस वे ही बिकेम Lord Buddha. Okay, earlier he was Siddharth, a prince, and then he went into the forest where he got the enlightenment and he became a god, Lord Buddha. Okay, after getting enlightenment, where did he get the enlightenment? In Bodh Gaya, and in under which tree? Bodhi tree. Okay, and on which day? Full moon day, that is Buddha Purnima. And how many years? For how many years he preached? He preached for 40 years. Okay, so in this way he became a Lord Buddha. Now we will do some book exercise. Now first show what you know, read the question and choose the correct option. What was the first name of Gautam Buddha? Gautam Buddha का first name क्या था? Siddhartha, Suddhodhan या Bimbisara? So his first name was Siddhartha. Second, what kind of clothes did Siddhartha wear as a monk? मतलब उन्होंने किस टाइप के clothes पहने as a monk? What kind of clothes did Siddhartha wear as a monk? He wore saffron clothes. Okay. Third, on which night did Siddhartha attain enlightenment? On which night? I told you this earlier also, means a few minutes ago. On full moon night. So you will take over here. Okay. Full moon night. Now here, write briefly about the people and places named below. यहाँ पे नीचे कुछ नेम गिवन है, कुछ पीपल के और कुछ प्लेसेस के नेम गिवन है. Who were these people? ये लोग कौन थे? Who were these people? Okay. And what were these places? और ये places क्या थे? Write in your notebook. In your notebook you have to write yourself. This is for you. You can do it yourself instead of taking anybody's help. If you want to Google it, you can. Okay. King Suddhodhan, Prince Siddhartha, King Bimbisara, Rajgira, Kapilavastu, Alara Kalam, Buddha. So these are some people and few places. You have to write about them. Briefly you can write, means about in 2 or 3 lines you can write. Okay. Now complete the story of Prince Siddhartha by filling in the blanks. You have to fill the blanks. Okay. You can fill according to yourself also. जो मैं लिख रही हूँ उसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर आपको सही नहीं लिखता तो आपने अकॉर्डिंग लिख सकते हो, लेकिन बट योर आंसर मस्ट बी करेक्ट. ओके, वर्ड्स कैन बी वेरी बट योर आंसर मस्ट बी करेक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू लेसन. प्रिंस सिद्धार्थ लेफ्ट डैश टू फाइंड आंसर टू सम क्वेश्चंस. प्रिंस सिद्धार्थ लेफ्ट डैश टू फाइंड आंसर टू सम क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट ही लेफ्ट, क्या छोड़ा उन्होंने? अपने घर, अपना पैलेस. लेफ्ट पैलेस टू फाइंड आंसर टू सम क्वेश्चंस. He came to राजगिरा, वो राजगिरा में आ गए. He had become a wandering what? Second, क्या बने थे वो? एक wandering, एक घूमते हुए. What did he become? He became a monk. एक वो साधु बन गए थे. He used to go with a dash for begging food. वो क्या लेके जाते थे खाना मांगने के लिए, भीख मांगने के लिए? He used to go with a bowl for begging food. He looked as if he were a god. ऐसे लगते थे जैसे कि वो कोई भगवान हो. Okay. The king's dash saw him and went to the dash to tell the king about the extraordinary man. So the king's dash saw him. King के किसने उनको देखा? King's soldiers. SOLDIERS. Soldiers saw him and went to the dash to tell the king about this extraordinary man. और वो कहाँ गए? Went to the palace, महल में गए. To tell the king about this extraordinary man, उस extraordinary man को बताने के बारे में. King Bimbisara dash to meet सिद्धार्थ. King Bimbisara क्या चाहते थे? सिद्धार्थ से मिलना चाहते थे. Bimbisara wanted to meet Siddhartha. He offered half of his dash, but Siddhartha dash saying he only wanted dash. He offered half of his what? Half of his, उन्होंने अपनी half क्या offer की उनको? He offered half of his throne. THRONE. Offered half of his throne, but Siddhartha declined. मना कर दिया उन्होंने कि मैं अपनी आपकी गद्दी, आपका राज्य नहीं ले सकता. Saying he only wanted what? कि वो क्या चाहते हैं? सिर्फ अपनी enlightenment. ठीक है, वो सिर्फ एनलाइटमेंट चाहते हैं. सिद्धार्थ लेटर बिकेम डैश after he got true in knowledge or enlightenment. Siddhartha later became, what he became after? Lord Buddha. Buddha. Siddhartha later became Lord Buddha after he got true knowledge or enlightenment. Okay. Now my dear students, this is your today's homework. Do it yourself. Okay. So this is your today's homework. The events of Gautam Buddha's life are written in wrong order. ये कुछ events हैं गौतम बुद्ध की लाइफ के जो wrong orders में है. ठीक है, उनकी जो order है वो wrong है. Number them in the correct order. आपको इनको according to their means what happened first, उसके according आपको इसको number करना है correct order में. ओके, तो आपको इसको number देना है. कौन सा नंबर 1 में आएगा. यहाँ पे ब्लैंक भी आपको गिवन है, मैं आपको शो नहीं कर सकती यहाँ पे. सी बेटा, ब्लैंक्स आर ऑल्सो गिवन. सो यहाँ पे नंबर्स लिखने हैं सेंटेंसेस के अकॉर्डिंग. ठीक है, अगर ये फर्स्ट नंबर पे है या फिर फोर्थ नंबर पे, यू कैन राइट हियर फोर्थ, यहाँ फिफ्थ, यहाँ फर्स्ट या टू. प्लीज डोंट राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, यू हैव टू राइट accordingly means the incident which happened first, you have to give it first number. Okay, like for what happened first. Siddhartha left home, सिद्धार्थ ने घर छोड़ दिया. Soldier told Bhimbisara about Siddharth. If Siddharth became a wandering ascetic, Siddharth offered half of his kingdom to Siddhartha. Bhimbisara offered half of his kingdom to Siddhartha, but Siddhartha refused. Siddhartha meditated. Siddhartha got enlightenment and was called Buddha. He came to Rajgira. तो what happened first? इसमें सबसे पहले क्या हुआ था. ठीक है, तो आपको उसको फर्स्ट नंबर देना है, then second, then third, then fourth, then 5. In place of throne, you can write here kingdom. ओके, गद्दी नहीं, हम किंगडम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. ही ऑफर्ड हाफ ऑफ हिज किंगडम, अपनी आधा राज्य उनको सौंपा, उनको ऑफर किया. बट सिद्धार्थ रिफ्यूज या फिर डिक्लाइंड, उन्होंने मना कर दिया. ओके, सो बेटा दिस इज योर टुडेज होमवर्क गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 22. पेज नंबर 22. डू इन बुक ओनली. दिस इज योर बुक today's homework. Okay, so my dear students, please read this lesson again and do the book exercise, and the following book exercise, the exercise which is left, I will be covering in next lecture, in lecture number 3, along with your summary lecture. Okay, thank you very much for watching this lecture. Do this homework, and please kindly send your homework on my mail ID. Bye bye.